Alright guys, so I decided I'm done with this thing for now. I played around with it for a while, put it on the shelf. I'm gonna put it back in the box. This thing's taped to living hell. I really don't know where the hell this guy got this thing from. Or if he bought it himself. And he wrote stuff on the box. I don't know. He's a CB dude. This is 35 by Gene. I don't know if he was writing a note to the radio. Hey, bye-bye. He gave the radio to my friend. And I asked him to give it to somebody that could use it. And I don't have the trimmer capacitors to repair it at the moment, but it does seem to be working. But I got two of them, and the other one's over here. This one has a voice board and the PyX voice board and some other stuff. So they're actually like both really great radios, but I got too much going on. I got the matching tuner as well, but I'm not going to use it. It's a cool radio, but it's like pull it out and use it every once in a while, but not like it can be like a regular radio to use. I'm trying to get some of this tape off of here because it's just going to get worse. I'd like to preserve the box, I guess. Oh, this is nasty shit here. And probably just leave it alone. Alright, so I've very carefully been taking the blow dryer to this and pulling the tape off of it. The box is damaged, but I mean, you don't want all that tape on there because it will definitely be damaged later on. And if I save this for a really long time, then I want the box to be at least presentable. So, got all that off of there. The way this box was supposed to be taped up, they didn't tape it up the way it was supposed to be. I don't know. There's some complicated floppy thing in here, but they decided to tape it instead, which was really stupid. So it was supposed to go like this. So the way the boxes went back then, they went like this. And then that goes down in there. And then that locks in. I don't know why they decided to just, like, tape it. It's probably whoever sold it to the guy. That's what I'm guessing. I'm guessing the guy wasn't a ham. But maybe he was, because I swear there was a guy that got on the radio one night talking about one of these radios. So that's how it's supposed to look, okay? And they decided to just tape everything over everything, and yeah. Probably guy bought it off of eBay or something, and that's how the seller shipped it. Or something. I don't see a shipping label anywhere, evidence of one. So, hard to say. Maybe it was never shipped. But I wanted the old tape off of it because as this stuff gets really nasty, it just starts to make a mess and smell funky. And now the box looks a lot better in case I want to sell it. Interesting how the guy marked the box, though. And I think he did it recently. He's probably called himself number 35 on CB radio is what I'm thinking. Don't know. But anyway, he put his business cards and stuff in here. There was like several of them. But my friend didn't really mention much about that. But anyway, so there's the original label. It's pretty damn cool. I should see if the serial number matches. It'd be kind of interesting to see. So the serial number is 9024. 9024. So this is the original box. So it's going to need to get set aside or sold. It we'll need those trimmer capacitors. That's the problem. I'll put it on the air for a minute here before I put it in the box. But yeah, I think it's going to need repair, and it's going to take a while to track those things down. All right, so this is how big it is compared to like the 102. It's a similar kind of footprint. The 761 would probably be about the same. So really what I want to do is get rid of this and get a 761. Which is, go up here and verify. See, we're dead on this band again. We got nothing. And that's why I'm just like, okay, I'm done. Like, let's put it in AM, FM, nothing. Okay. Run dummy load. And no power out. Doesn't do anything. Okay. Thing's also in split mode. You hear that noise? So the PLL is unlocked. So there's nothing I can do about it. So it's got to get another trimmer, and we can't get them anymore. So I'm gonna put it back in the box.